come so that 100% waste management can be done in Goa, and it put an example in front of the country, particularly in the area where the waste is no way out, like the Himalayan range and northeast and everywhere. But it is the requirement of rest of the country. It's a very good attempt, and I congratulate Goa government for putting this plant and eventually showing the result. But certainly requirement of Goa is much more higher. So in near future, more proposal will come to us, and we will make sure that we should clear it as early as possible.
But as of now, any extra proposal have come? As of now, any extra proposal from Goa government has come to this?
Now, I expect, because 100% clean Goa is necessary, because it is the model in front of the state in the country and abroad also. So we are supposed to collect, we are supposed to process, and we are supposed to finish it. But it's a very good. I congratulate the team and the state government for this.